And the reason we're here in Vance, Alabama, just outside of Tuscaloosa, is because Mercedes-Benz will be announcing later today that they're going to be further expanding this plant. We'll talk about that in a little bit because it has to do with electric vehicles. But in terms of production of SUVs, this is one of the global centers for Mercedes-Benz. And for all the talk about tariffs and whether or not fewer vehicles will be exported to China, etc., they're looking at strong demand, and that's why they continue to crank out as many SUVs as they build down here. You've got not only the GLC or the GLE as well as the GLS that are built down here, but they're noticing that their vehicle exports about two-thirds of what they build here, about 300,000 this year. About two-thirds will be exported, about 80,000 will likely go over to China. Why is the worldwide sales of SUVs continuing to grow? The demand is there, especially on the luxury front. Record worldwide sales for Mercedes SUVs, up 5.4%. And luxury SUVs here in the United States, guys, up 9% for the industry this year. So there is clearly demand on the higher end when it comes to SUVs. For Alabama, this is an important facility because Alabama now builds about 9% of all the vehicles that are built in the United States. And you take a look at this map, it's all kind of been compressed into this corridor going all the way from Michigan down here to the Gulf states. For Mercedes, this is an expansion. They are going to be adding about $1 billion to build an electric battery plant here. Those batteries will be then going into the next generation of the GLE. They'll announce that later today, add another 300 jobs here. So you're seeing an expansion of this plant as they try to do that conversion starting in about 2020, 2021 into electric SUVs, and that'll be with the GLE. Guys, it'll be interesting to see how much demand there is for those electric SUVs. But right now, the luxury SUV market remains red hot worldwide. Back to you.